I can't eat hot food anymore.
Come on, man.
It's just got a little twang to it.
Fuck.
Hey, you don't put a lot on there.
That's for pussies.
Yeah, don't be scared.
Yeah.
I'll dip it down in there.
Oh, hell.
Oh my God.
You ain't putting that on there.
Woo! Shit!
Is it bad?
God damn!
Is it bad?
Try it.
No, fuck you!
Hey.
I did that one time with you.
No, don't be a pussy all your life.
Want some milk?
There's some milk in there.
Whoa!
Hey,
What is it?
it's hot sauce. Don't be a pussy all your life. Hey, just try a little bit.
No.
Everybody's done it.
Yeah.
Good God!
Same with cocaine. Doesn't mean I'm doing it.
It's not getting any better either. It's getting worse.
What is it?
It's hot sauce.
It's better if you eat another chip with it.
I have a partner from Louisiana.
Who, Cox? You think he'd like it?
Well, God.
It's like tar, man. It's like fucking heroin. I'm not
Come
Man,
on,
stop
Baldwin.
putting your fucking nose in there.
Hey, don't be a pussy all your
I
life.
ain't doing that.
You weak,
man.
You went like that, and you barely even got me.
I've dipped
but
it, man.
Hey, just put a little on yours.
Just try it. We'll go out and look for your donkey and your goat and shit. We'll do that.
I just wanted the chips because
Just dip a little bit, dude.
Hey.
Don't be a pussy.
Don't be a pussy all your life.
Man, weak, man.
Come on,
Just
Mighty
dip a
Mouth.
little
Come
bit,
on, Mighty
man.
Mouth.
Hey, come on, Mighty Mouth.
Boy right here in raw form.
Uh-huh.
Nope.
Come
I
on,
ain't doing
boy.
that trip. Nope.
What a
You
scary.
fucked me up with that horseradish last year.
Oh, this is better than horseradish.
No, it ain't.
Oh.
That shit smells like fucking acid.
It don't smell like acid.
Okay.
Hey,
Tastes
Why
like
don't
it.
you drink the whole fucking thing like a shot, then, tough guy? No, I don't do that. Because you know what? That shit hurts coming out the other end.
No, it's not
Oh,
that
my-
bad, man.
Okay. We'll get some people down here and see if they want to try it.
oh, I've got a thing of videos in here. People tried it. I want to see you try it.
No, I'm not trying it. It's
He's
against
weak,
my
man.
rules.
Everybody here's tried it?
Yeah.
This is the only girl that hasn't?
He's the only one.
Pussy.